Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do an updated version on how to curl to blend your hidden crown extension in with your own hair. We have several other videos on curling techniques. We've done off the head, on the head, and so I just wanted to do an updated version of this. I'm going to be doing the curling with the extension on my hair. I've already done half of it, and so we're going to show with this side how to get it done. Let's get started. All right, so I have here my Hidden Crown 16-inch extension in color number 60-8. Let's go ahead and get this on properly. All right, so as you can see, I've already gone ahead and curled this half of my head with the extension on. It's just a really pretty loose kind of curl, nothing too fancy, nothing too casual. So we're gonna go ahead and do it on this side. I'm going to be using my 1 1/4 inch hot tool curling iron with a clip. And I also have my 1 1/2 inch barrel as well with a clip as well. So I'll go ahead and explain the two differences and why I use those in a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started. So starting at the front of the extension and my hair, I'm just going to start by curling away from the face. And I do like to leave a little tail of the ends out so that it's more of like a carefree curl, more of closer to like a beachy style curl. Now what I'm doing now with the next section is I'm curling towards my face. So I'm just gonna go back and forth. Each section will be the opposite way. So if I go away from my face with one, the next one will be towards my face. And I'm just taking like, I don't know, 1-inch sections. I am getting a little bit of my hair in with it just because my hair is a little bit longer now, so the tail end of my hair is going in there, but we're gonna go ahead and curl the rest of my hair on top after we're done. And since I want a more looser curl, I'm not holding the section on too long, just because we want more of like a carefree. And as you can see, I start at the, up at the top portion of the section of hair and I work my way down. This provides even heat throughout the entire section of hair. And I'm just kind of slowly just starting, I'm gonna go ahead and just start raking my fingers through the curls so that they loosen up, because I don't want them to stay in that, you know, tight curl pattern that I'm curling it in. I want them to be a little bit looser. And the great thing about this technique of curling too is that each day the curl gets looser and looser, but it will last you at least a week. If you're curling like this with this technique, the curl will last, but each day it just gets a little bit looser, which is nice because then you have a perfect beachy type curl, you know, towards the end of the week after curling it like this. Okay, so now that I've done the entire other half of the extension here, so now I'm gonna go ahead and focus on the top half of my hair to kind of help blend in with the extension. So with this, I'm going to be using my 1 1/2 inch curling iron. The reason for this is because my hair is a little bit finer than the extension and it's not as thick in volume as the extension. So if I were to go and use this one, the curl would actually be a lot tighter and smaller, and it just won't, I just don't like the way it looks. It's not as natural to me, on me, with my hair. So using a slightly bigger barrel helps meet the extension curl really nicely. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing with the top half of my hair. Just gonna pick up sections that are laying over the extension. I'm gonna do the same exact thing, going back and forth. And I'm not gonna hold it on very long because, like I said, I don't want a tight curl. I don't have much hair, so as you can see, we're on the third section and we're already done with curling my hair, so it's pretty easy. Just like that. So then what I love to do is just take any kind of brush, and I like to brush through the curl just because it helps break it apart. And the more you brush it, the more it loosens up as well. And there you have it. That's how easy and quick it is to curl your hair and blend it in with your Hidden Crown hair extensions. Now obviously, there are all types of different curls, and so there's different techniques of achieving those different curls. So play around with your curling iron and with your Hidden Crown extension to see what you like the most. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you in the next one. We hope you found this video to be very helpful and it answered all your questions. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us via email at accounts@hiddencrown.com. Make sure to find us on our other social media platforms below, and check out these videos that correlate with the video you just watched.